Hey guys, today I'm going to bake some frozen potato rounds and an egg. So let's get toasting. I'm using my 10-inch cast iron skillet for this. It's lightly oiled, and I took some of these frozen potato rounds, about 10 of them, and I made a circle there. And I'm going to get those into my toaster oven, and when they're just about cooked, I'm going to crack an egg and put them in the middle of that. I set my oven to bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and when those look about done, I'll add the egg. It's been about 15 minutes, so I'm going to check on this. That looks pretty good. I'm going to add the egg now. I'm going to put the egg right in the center of that. Now I'll get that back into the oven. Now I'll just keep an eye on that until the egg is cooked. The egg was in the oven about 3 minutes and I just pulled it out. It looks good to me. Now I'm going to season it with a little bit of kosher salt and a little bit of Johnny's seasoned pepper and a little bit of cayenne pepper for a little bit of heat. And hopefully that will come out of the pan okay. This must be getting to the end of the thing. Okay, there we go. Hopefully this will come out of the pan okay. I toasted a piece of bread there and I have a piece of cheese. I think that's Colby Jack. And I'm going to put this right on top of that. Oh yeah, look at that. Perfect. Very nice. The heat from the egg should melt the cheese. That came out kind of neat looking. Another toaster oven creation. Anyway, let's try it out. See if I can get a bite with some of the egg yolk on it here. That's good. What do you think, Danny? Want to try that? There you go. Well, looks like she likes those tater rounds. That would be good with a piece of ham on there too, but I didn't have any. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.